This is an overview of a collision between a taxicab and a motorcycle in Las Vegas, Nevada in 2005. Surveillance footage from a nearby casino shows the taxi pulling into the street and being struck by the motorcycle. ATA obtained an exemplar motorcycle for testing and measurement purposes. The vehicle was measured and photographed at various angles at the ATA High Bay facility. Extensive speed and braking tests were conducted at daytime and nighttime conditions. A computer graphic overlay was electronically placed over the surveillance video for analysis.